Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we have discussed about the ChemSketch. It is a molecular modeling program used to draw and modify chemical structures. Let's take aspirin as our structure. First draw benzene, then select COOH carboxyl group, then select CH3, then oxygen. That's all. This is our structure of aspirin. First we generate the chemical structure. Let's select, then select all. Then this is generate name for structure. It is the name of the structure. Let's generate smiley for this structure. It's the smiley symbol. Then it is the smiley which is useful for searching the structure by using ChemSpider and PubChem. For example, by copying this smiley, first select and copy, then go to ChemSpider. This is ChemSpider. Then generate smile notation. Then aspirin structure is appear. Wait. This is the aspirin structure. By using the smiles, the structure is obtained. And also next one is tools and calculate the all properties like this. Okay. First select the structure and tools, all properties, copy to editor. This is the molecular formula, molecular weight, composition, molar refractivity, molar volume, and several properties are generated of the selected structure. Like this, we conclude the ChemSketch by using generate name smiles, and also by using the selection option we also identify the log p value of the structure. The log p of the value of the structure is 1.19. According to the Lipinski rule, the log p value is must less than 4. Like this, it is useful for project work and also research work for the chemistry students and researchers. Thank you all. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe and share and like the video.